Well, welcome to KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday morning forecast update, and nice to see September make its way onto the calendar here, and this will be the month that we finally begin to see some heat relief as we start out today. Typically, average high beginning of September is about 93. By the end of the month, the average high drops all the way to 85 degrees, so we lose about 2 degrees per week, and one of the drier months as well. We average about 3.5 inches of rain, but we should begin to tap into some of those cold fronts by the end of the month here, so we'll start to get back into hopefully some much needed rain here as the drought conditions continue to expand and the fire danger continues to increase. Feeling great this morning though, thank you September, as we're in the low to mid 60s to start out here, and will be one of the coolest mornings that we've had all summer, but eventually we'll rebound and make it into the mid 90s. So the morning will feel cooler, the afternoon just the same as yesterday. Extremely low humidity again, so that's why our fire danger is high, and we're beginning to see some rain just to the east of the ArkLaTex here, and fortunately it looks like we'll begin to tap into this rain late in the weekend here, so hopefully at some point we'll see these go away. But we do have the fire weather warning or red flag warning in effect once again today, and it's actually been expanded to include most of the northern ArkLaTex as well. So again, outdoor burning pretty much prohibited here, and you can definitely see what is changing. So we have a ton of dry air, that's why the humidity is so low and the fire danger very high, but you can see this little area of low pressure that's kind of spinning on the water vapor satellite, and you can see the darker colors here. That's higher water vapor, some of the humidity that will come back and affect us over the weekend, and this is what's going to push some rain chances in likely by tomorrow, but especially Sunday and Monday. So we'll go through time here on your Robbins Toyota Futurecast, and you can see by tomorrow rain does begin to approach the ArkLaTex, but we'll see this low begin to really take over our weather pattern here Sunday into Monday. So you get a few showers Sunday, won't be a washout. So if you have some outdoor plans, again, I think the rain will help out with the heat and some of the sunlight that scorches us during the afternoons here. So I think Sunday will be a pretty decent day to be outside, and hopefully kind of cloudy on Monday, but Monday we'll have a pretty good chance of seeing some showers and storms as well, and this will likely continue into Tuesday. So as far as the rainfall here, we would like to see a lot more than what we're showing on the map. Most of us between about 1.25 inches of rain, which really isn't going to put much of a dent into the drought conditions. But we get some of the humidity back, even though we don't like that. That will help to limit the fire danger somewhat, and hopefully we can get a little more rain than expected here, and maybe help out with the drought conditions as well as the fire danger. But it should be relatively quiet for, again, the first day of the weekend. Tomorrow will be in the mid-90s, and then we'll just kind of stay in the mid-90s through the middle of next week. Word of warning here, late next week, we're showing maybe high pressure returning for a few days, so we may not quite be done with 100 just yet, but it looks like we're probably done with the 105 and above temperatures, but maybe some heat returning by next week and maybe into next weekend.